It's time to discover nature through play. The Minnesota Valley National Wildlife Refuge has completed work on a new nature play area at the Old Cedar Avenue trailhead. Instead of slides and monkey bars, kids can play on natural materials like downed trees, grassy hills, and rocks. You can help build a giant eagle nest or stack logs in the natural building materials area.
Nature play areas are really important for kids to be able to explore and get a little bit dirty and have that tactile experience with nature. When they're running and jumping and moving, they're making memories and they're remembering these things that they're experiencing. They're remembering how it feels to be warm and sweaty, but also what the bark feels like and what the rocks feel like as they're building new things. And that helps them appreciate nature a little bit more as they feel it and experience it rather than just looking at it.
There is also a little library with nature-themed books for younger audiences and 7 newly installed multilingual interpretive panels.